Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shahanur Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect single phase distribution board wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Energy meter, sub distribution board, double pole MCB circuit breaker, surge protection device or SPD, RCBO circuit breaker, single pole circuit breakers, phase connection input to energy meter, phase connection from energy meter to connect double pole MCB, phase connection from double pole MCB to connect surge protection device and RCBO, phase connection from RCBO to connect circuit breakers, output for sub-circuit live line, neutral connection connect to energy meter, neutral connection from energy meter to connect double pole MCB, neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect RCBO circuit breaker and SPD, neutral connection from RCBO circuit breaker to for load, earth connection for load, earth connection connected to surge protection device. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.